Please subscribe for more awesome and healthy tips. Hello friends, today we will talk about world's most famous hair oil for hair fall, which is Arnica Montana Hair Oil. Also we will talk about its benefits. So let's start. Arnica Montana oil is suitable for all kind of hair loss. SBL Homeopathy Arnica Montana oil helps to prevent hair loss. SBL Homeopathy Arnica Montana oil is prepared from homeopathic medicines. Arnica Montana hair oil helps in controlling hair fall and also promotes hair growth. Regular use of this hair oil stimulates the active phase of a hair growth cycle, induces quick multiplication of hair fiber cells, improves strength of the hair and increases hair density. SBL Homeopathy Arnica Montana oil can be used by both men and women. It can regularly be used after washing hair. Arnica Montana oil is a very good combination of homeopathic remedies that not only helps to prevent the hair loss but also helps in growth of hair. Arnica Montana hair oil helps in reducing the itching due to dandruff. Arnica oil is also a very good product for dandruff. Fortified with extracts of nourishing homeopathic herbs, arnica, jaborandi, calendula, China Kent Harris, and thuja. Removes and curbs dandruff and gives strength to the hair. It is non-oily and has non-greasy base, that's why can be used during daytime also. Arnica Montana oil nourishes your hair cells and helps in the growth of the hair. Arnica Montana oil helps to make your hair healthy and helps to make your hair shine. Regular use of this hair helps in good growth of the hair. It not only helps in the growth of the hair but it also helps in reducing the dandruff and itching of the scalp. It makes your hair look shining and lustrous. SBL Homeopathy Arnica Montana oil helps to prevent the formation of split ends of the hair. It revitalizes the hair cells and thus helps in growth of the hair. It is also used for any other kind of disease of the scalp such as eczema or psoriasis. Arnica Montana hair oil can also be used in children as it is prepared from natural medicines and is free from any side effects. Thank you for watching this video. For more awesome and healthy tips, please subscribe our YouTube channel.